Hello friends, welcome back to my blog channel. This evening I'm standing on the top of the western side of the hill where my city is situated at the eastern side. If I would like to show you the city where I'm staying. So for the our city is situated and entirely covered by the four sides, entirely covered by the hills. So you can see that my our city is entirely covered by the hills. So this is the east side of our city where you can see the hills there. Though likewise, so I'm showing you. This is the south side, and this one is western side. So western side, I would like to show you that. So at the western side right now, it is a heavy cloud appearing, and it's about to rain now. Soon it will going to rain now. Okay, so you can see that. So after a long time, friends, after a long time, I'm due to my heavy work and a lot of tensionful times. So I'm not able to come to my blog. And as you know that many of my friends have asked me that what kind of profession and what kind of work you do during your time. So friends, in fact, I'm a journalist as well as I'm an YouTuber. Right now, I'm having a YouTube channel as well as the blog channel. So as you know that already. One more thing is that right now I'm working within one channel, one satellite channel. So which where I'm working as a correspondent and executive editor. So right now there are a lot of works, and I'm focusing my focusing only on my profession. That is, so right now I would like to make something better in my blog and YouTube channels. So that is my main intention. So that's my main intention. So you can see that our city. So what are the speciality of our city? So friends, the city where I'm staying, it is nearer to the Bengaluru, nearer to the Mumbai, nearer maybe 6 and 500 kilometers from away from the Hyderabad. And especially whenever we used to visit any cities, you know that, so whenever our business and any kind of my career related works and business related works, I would like to go to Mumbai. Mumbai and Bangalore are most favorable cities to me. And whenever our work is related to the either Bangalore or Mumbai, so you can see that right now. So you can see that one bus is running on the road. So you can't see. I think that it's not appearing on the camera. Okay. So okay, friends. Anyway, so I'm fine by all means. Everything is fine here. Everything is good. And many times this evening I got a special time. Actually, I have to visit my office at the evening, but I thought that I must come on the blog and share a few aspects to with my friends. So that's why I'm coming here. And right now you can see that it is entirely so. I'm top of the hill, and so so downside you can see that how the city is. You see that. So here many people are making their own activities. So motor vehicles are going there. So here the roadside, you can see that. So not here is roadside. This one is roadside. This is the downfall roadside. This one is okay. You see that western side, heavy clouds, and it's raining there. It's raining there. Maybe our city too will get the rain. That's what we expect and what I feel. So right now I don't know whether our city will going to receive the rain or not. But still we are hopeful because of the temperature. Our city has received a 39 Celsius degree temperature this time. This was a very horrible. It is intolerable to the each and everyone because normally whenever if you see the preceding years, so round about our city has received not more than 26 or 20, 25, 26 Celsius degrees temperature. But this year the temperature has reached its maximum 31 Celsius degrees. The maximum temperature was this year. The maximum temperature was 31 Celsius degrees. Is it tolerable? Not possible because as I said that. So our city is entirely at the end of the Western Ghats. So the Western Ghats, you know that the Mumbai, the seashore is there, na Western. Arabian Sea is there. So right now from this place, Arabian Sea. So Ratnagiri, you can say that, you can say Ratnagiri or Mumbai. So it is around about 500 kilometers and 3 to 4 hours journey. That's it. So if you travel for the 4 hours, the 3 to 4 hours, you will reach the Goa also. 4 to 5 hours you will reach the Goa from my city. So this is the very center place, either to go for the Bengaluru or to Goa or to Mumbai. This is the center place. And one more thing, what is the speciality of the city? If you ask, so I will tell you that this is the central place. You can very cheap city in Karnataka. This one is a very cheap city. Though there are no major star hotels are like that, but whatever the amenities available in the city are more than suffice to us. That what I say. So if you anybody, if you want to meet me, so before that you must comment me on the channel, so that I can prepare myself. I should be available to you all. Okay. Thank you once again. Let us move. Thank you, friends. Thank you.